Okay, here we are today. We're checking out John's point of view, right? And what's amazing is this notion of the light shining up at John's eyes, and how the phoenix and the peacock have that representation. So, brought with me some information, a book, and some swatches available here at Home Depot. Now, remember, when you're in the VR realm, right, with the pigmentation changes. So at Home Depot, when you're at the kiosk, you're going to see the change of that pigmentation via annotations. So in relationship to, for example, the peacock, again, the hue has changed. We now see cosmic cobalt, deep river, let's see, peaceful river, and life force, right? And then in terms of let's see, the phoenix, right? It was based on an almond color. We now see natural almond. So what I thought was amazing is checking out some annotations in this book and seeing just what was being said in relationship to what John was looking at, right? And we can see some amazing stuff that is serendipitous too. They aren't supposed to be orderlies, but he can't even sweep up a tent. This, that, and the other thing, right? So you can see the authorships here on the display, right at Home Depot.